name is Lawrence Folds. I'm the Managing Director of Middlesex Aerospace. We've been in business since 1945 and have been on this site in Basingstoke since 1976. We make pretty much completely just aerospace components for supply to companies around the world. Hexagon have been a partner of ours for many years now. This is a recently investment, although in their Metrology products, but we use many of their other software systems for many, many years. And our relationship with Hexagon is extremely important and provides us with the ability to manufacture complicated components quickly and get them through the business and onto to the customer when the customer wants them at the right time.
So I'm Darren Cook, Technical Sales Manager of Hexagon Manufacturing Intelligence, and my role is looking after CMMs and optical CMMs in the southeast of the UK. I was challenged with measuring a whole range of different parts, also with different accessibility challenges as well as tighter tolerances, and also decreasing the cycle times. PCDMS has a whole host of different features, one where we can take the GD&T data from a CAD file or also from a 2D blueprint such as PDF and TIFF files. Another feature is where we called Excel form reporting, where we can actually automate the population of data straight into an Excel file. And I mean, usability as well is with PCDMS Inspect, which is an interface that sits in front of PCDMS, so we're protecting the measurement routine integrity. But what this does is this allows anyone in a customer to be able to initiate a part program. So some of the benefits with the software, where we've got different features that helps reduce the cycle time of the part programming down by over 60%, but also with the machine, the core speed of the machine, as well as some of the sensor technologies on there.
My name's Gareth Henwood. I'm an area sales manager for Hexagon Production Software. I look after the metal cutting, CAM and simulation products, and I also look after our MRP products. Hexagon Production Software, we're able to offer you from initial CAD right the way through to reverse engineering. We have several CAM offerings, EdgeCam, Visi, WorkNC and also Esprit. We also have NC Simul, which is our G-code verification and simulation software. And we can also offer you WorkPlan and Javelin for our MRP and MES solutions.
We set up a team of people to look at across the products that were available across the board, and it was really pioneering work was done by one of our apprentices, Alan, and he looked at a wide variety of machines, and he came up with the assessment that the Hexagon offered the all-round best value for money and best production solution for what we needed at Middlesex.
At Middlesex Aerospace, they are using Javelin and EdgeCam from our production software range. Javelin is our MRP solution, and also EdgeCam is our CAM offering to program all of their machines. Combine this with our offerings from Metrology, Hexagon is now offering Middlesex Aerospace an end-to-end solution which ultimately is improving their workflow.
I'm Chris Page, I'm Sales and Marketing Manager at Middlesex Aerospace. We've used Javelin for many years now. We use it throughout the business from our initial quotation stage all the way through to our job card release to the shop floor through to CFCs to customers. And really embedded in the basis of Javelin is the traceability from the engineering, shop floor, quality, all those things mixed together.
So Hexagon offer their portal support, which is done through email. So any problems with parts or the software, you email them through the portal and they respond extremely quickly to resolve your problem.
It is vitally important that the quality of the aerospace components is consistent and perfect, because we make quite critical components here, and anything that goes wrong, we've basically got to throw it in the bin. Now, that obviously costs a lot of money if you have to do that, so it's vitally important that we get first time round quality 100% every time we do it.
There's a long-standing partnership there with Hexagon. We've used their software for many years. and we've recently started really using their hardware to its full potential. We've got many synergies, and I think these guys are with us on the path for the smart factory of the future.